guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn your gray hair to dark, okay, those white hair to black. Alright, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. So this natural remedy is very effective, but you have to follow it just the way I'm gonna be showing you, and your result is going to be very visible. Okay, so thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me walk you through into this video. Henna powder. Okay, this is dry henna powder. All right, so you're going to be needing this for this gray hair remedy, okay, because this is actually going to help to outside though. Okay, it's not actually going to make your hair that is actually not grown like the one inside the skin. Not that one. The one outside the skin is going to turn it to dark. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to get a bowl, and then we're going to be taking, you're going to be taking as much, I've actually blended this, okay, you're going to be taking as much as you can. If your hair is actually long, then you take enough for your hair. Okay, for this particular one I'm going to be taking 1.5 tablespoon of this henna powder. So if you're having your henna seed, you can actually just blend it and it's going to be like this. Okay, in case you're having the fresh one, it's still perfect, but this dry one works really well because it helps to turn your gray hair to dark quickly more than the fresh one. Yeah, we're also going to be needing Hamlet powder. So this is actually where I got this Hamlet powder. Okay, now you can actually order your Hamlet powder online, and it's actually basically what some of the ingredients you need for a gray hair. Okay, so Hamlet powder helps so much in making your hair go dark gradually, gently, and before you know it, all of your hair will be dark. So I'm gonna be opening it. I've actually bought this for a long time, but I actually didn't know where I kept it, so I'm gonna be opening it, and then we're gonna be putting, let me show you the difference of this. This is Hamlet powder and this is henna powder. Can you see the difference? The difference is that this is actually more, it's looking more moist than this. Okay, so I'm going to be putting those two powder inside here. And the next powder you're going to be needing is indigo powder. Okay, you need your dry blended indigo powder. Now this all of this powder, you can actually order them online. Okay, it's actually very easy to order them online, or you can call this number, okay, and then you order it from there. All right, and that's where I buy some of my stuff, some of my herbal powder. Okay, so look at that, look at the difference between the indigo powder, Hamlet, and henna powder. So look at the difference. This is henna, this is Hamlet, this is indigo. So after putting all of this powder together, then the next thing is to mix it. You mix the powder. Okay, so after that is done, then you can set this aside. So we're also going to be needing pawpaw, which is papaya, but in this one we're not going to be needing the pawpaw fruit itself. We're just going to be needing the pawpaw seed, which is this. This is what we're going to be needing Okay, this is what we're going to be needing to darken our hair. So how we're going to be getting this how we're going to be preparing this papaya fruit seed is that we're going to be turning it into a small bowl, and then you will be matching it. Okay, so I'm going to be matching it really hard. So after that, you would have to be putting in your papaya crushed seed into all of this powder. And then you would have to be mixing it all up. Now the last ingredient to make up this ingredient is lemon. Now lemon is actually very required and needed for this ingredient, okay, because it will aid for this powder to actually make your hair really dark. And the lemon also is going to help to remove dandruff and then leaving your hair really healthy and your scalp really clean. So okay, gonna be squeezing the lemon inside the powders. Now after that, I would like to remove the seed of this lemon. And then I would be mixing it all up. So after this is done, then you can add up water. Okay, you basically add up warm water in this, then you turn it. Stir it all up. And now what you do is that you would keep this ingredient till the following day. So you're gonna be needing another extra bowl to sieve this out. Alright, so this is the ingredients, and in this particular one, when you keep it overnight, that's when you see how really dark it's gonna be. Now how you're gonna apply that, you're gonna take the ingredients and then you're gonna pat your hair and then you put it, okay, you rub it, you pat your hair, you rub it there. Okay, so what this is going to do is that it's going to gradually change the color of the hair, like in hours, about 1 hour or so. The color of your hair, which is white, is going to change really well to black. Okay, so after you've actually put this in, Then the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to wear a shower cap. After you wear a shower cap, then you're going to tie a scarf on it. Okay, do not allow hair to get in it. Let it actually do the job by darkening your hair. Okay, you tie a cap over it for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, then you can open it and wash it. You're going to see that your hair is going to get darkened. Now anytime you notice that your hair has actually grown really well, then you have to use this to apply and it get darkened. So you can store this for as long as you want. You can see it's just water that I use in mixing it, so it can stay for as long as you want, and then you continually use it to darken your hair. So that's it, guys. That's how you're going to mix it. You keep it and then you apply it, and it's going to darken the ones that are already white, okay, not the one in your skin. All right, if you want your hair to be black, you have to consume food that contains that helps you build up melanin on your skin, okay, and that is actually going to prevent the gray hair. All right, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and then I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawlessly beautiful.